Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin or attendance manager rights, because without them you cannot save changes. Once done, make sure device inventory is synced so records match real devices. This prevents mismatches. Now log into the MDM console and go directly to Attendance then Sessions. You will see today's device list. Begin by selecting the class or group, then choose the date range you need. This first action scopes the update and avoids accidental edits. You now make the core updates. Select devices and apply present, absent, or late status. If many devices share a status, use bulk edit to save time. Alternatively, upload a formatted CSV to batch process multiple records. As you edit, add reason codes and clarifying notes so the audit trail stays useful. Also check timestamps for accuracy. If devices reported late, adjust the time to reflect actual attendance. This ensures data integrity and simplifies reporting later. You finish by validating every change, run an attendance report and confirm totals match expected class rosters. Once confirmed, lock the session or export a snapshot for archival and compliance. Make sure stakeholders get the report. If something fails, try one key troubleshooting step first. Clear your console cache and force a device inventory resync, then reapply the edits. If issues persist, check user permissions and CSV formatting. Those are the usual culprits, and fixing them resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.